Hey everyone, welcome back to Pray With Us. I'm Louis. Just on my way to church, and I thought I would touch on the importance of why fellowship and going to church for some people is very important. Let's be real. In a world where you can stream sermons online or meditate solo, the Bible says we're not meant to do life alone. Ecclesiastes chapter 4, verse 9 to 12. Fellowship, like a church family, gives you a safe space to laugh, cry, and grow with people who get you. Think of it like a team. You're stronger together. When you're struggling, they lift you up. When they're struggling, you get to be the hero. That's how love works. Spiritual growth isn't a solo sport. Sure, you can pray at home or read the Bible solo, but church? It's like a gym for your soul. Worshipping together shifts your focus from me to we. Sermons challenge you. Communion reminds you of grace. Proverbs 27 verse 17 says, "Iron sharpens iron." You need others to help you stay sharp, accountable, and rooted when doubt creeps in. Church isn't just about you. Jesus said, "Love your neighbor." And churches feed the hungry, mentor kids, and support communities. When you join in, you're part of something bigger. Plus, serving others heals your soul too. Look, church isn't a building, it's people. Imperfect, messy, hurting, lonely, ill, kind, full of love, but real. Church is where you find mentors, friends, and even that lovely lady who bakes cookies every Sunday, all helping us when life seems to get hard. In a world bad news, church reminds us that we are never alone. Your life matters, and God's grace is stronger than your worst mistakes. Church is where broken people find healing, lonely people find family, and everyone gets invited into a story bigger than themselves. Church refuels you through prayer, stories of hope, and reminders that God got you. If you've been hurt by church and you feel church is not for you, I understand. And Jesus understands too. As the Bible reminds us, at the end of each day, our hearts should be as one with our loving God. So, what's church really about? Well, for me, it's where your doubts are welcome, your gifts matter, and you matter. Jesus didn't start a holy fan club. He built a family, and yeah, families are messy. But they're also the people who show up when life gets tough. But don't let the brokenness of people dim the beauty of what it's meant to be. Grace in motion, hope in action, and a squad that's got your back. So here's your challenge. Give it a shot. Visit a local church, join a small group, or just DM someone who seems to get it. You might just find your purpose and a God who's way more about tacos and grace than you ever imagined. God bless you all.